Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Spanish with Mrs. Lorenzo. Today we're going to talk about how to use verbs ser and estar for location. Many people have the question like, what do we have to use between the verbs ser and estar when we are talking about location? Well, that's the thing that we are going to learn today. Welcome. Ser and estar. The first thing that you have to remember when you talk about ser and estar in Spanish is that they both mean verb to be. Let's take a look a little bit about what they are and how they work. Here we have the verb to be in English. Here we have the conjugation in simple present tense. I am, first person in the singular. You are, second person in the singular. He, she, and it, third person in the singular. We are, first person in the plural. You are, second person in the plural. And they are, third person in the plural. Now, what is the difference between ser and estar and why we have two verbs for verb to be in Spanish? The first verb would be ser. Ser works for permanent characteristics of the subject, as you can see here in the description. And the conjugation would be yo soy, which means I am, first person in the singular. Tú eres, you are, second person in the singular. Usted es, usted is a second person in the singular, but it works just for formal situation, formal occasion. In a different video, we are going to talk about subject pronouns to explain that point better. But just for now, just remember that it is second person in the singular, but it works just for formal circumstances. Then we have él and ella. Él means he, ella means she. Él es, he is, ella es, she is. We don't have a specific subject pronoun in Spanish for animals or things, so to replace it as a subject pronoun, we use él or ella instead. Nosotros is we, nosotros somos, we are, nosotras somos, we are. Nosotros is for masculine and both gender together, masculine and feminine, and nosotras is just for feminine, when the group of people entails first person in the singular and also it is conformed just for women. And they mean we are. Ustedes son is second person in the plural, you are. Vosotros and vosotras sois. This is the form for subject pronoun ustedes that is used in Spain. And sois is the conjugation of the verb ser in simple present tense. Vosotros and vosotras is used more in informal circumstances. When in Spain people want to address to others using formal language, a formal kind of express themselves, they use ustedes. And ellos son, it means they are. Ellas son, it means they are. Ellos, just for boys and both genders together, feminine and masculine, and ellas, just for girl. Then in this part of the slide, we have estar. Estar works for temporary characteristics of the subject. Yo estoy means I am, but for temporary characteristics of the subject. Tú estás is second person in the singular. It means you are, again, for temporary. Usted está is second person in the singular, informal, for formal circumstances. Él está is he is, ella está is she is for temporary conditions. Nosotros and nosotras estamos is we are. Ustedes están, you guys are. Vosotros, vosotras estáis. Once again, you guys are, but just in Spain. Ellos and ellas están, which is they are. Masculine and feminine together, and feminine. Now, how those verbs work when we are talking about location? Let's see what happens. To express location about people, animals, and things, which can be moved fast and easy, we have to use estar. For example, ¿Dónde está María? Where is María? ¿Dónde is going to be the question word that we are going to use for location, as in English, where? María está en la escuela. María is at school. So here we have a people, Maria is a person. Her location can be moved fast and easy, so we have to use estar. That kind of location is considered temporary, so we use estar for that condition. To express where something is located, a big thing, a big building, a geographic information like a city, a country, a theater, a supermarket, a mall, something that physically is impossible to move fast and easy, that location is absolutely permanent. However, we have to use estar. Despite that this kind of location is permanent, you must use estar. ¿Dónde está tu escuela? Where is your school? You could take your school and move that building according to your convenience, right? It would be great, but it doesn't happen in that way. So we have to say está for this kind of location. Mi escuela está en Boston. My school is in Boston. Keeping the same question word, ¿dónde? Now, we have a little difference here using ser in this specific case. What would be the case? To express where something happens, an event, like your birthday party, your Spanish class, an appointment, a concert. Despite this kind of location is temporary, because you really can change that location fast and easy, we have to use ser. Here is not permanent, that is true, but according to the rule we need to use ser. ¿Dónde es el concierto? Where is the concert? El concierto es in Boston. The concert is in Boston. So as you can see, we can use both verbs ser and estar to express location. When you are talking about animals, people, or things, and those things entail big buildings or locations that are impossible to move, you have to use estar. But when you are talking about a specific event where something is going to have place, where something is going to happen, in that context, we need to use ser. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you like, please give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to get the notifications. Have a wonderful day. Adios!